Hello guys, welcome back to our video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to send the audio from the Midas M32 or the Behringer X32 to the PC for live streaming purpose. Okay, before that, I will urge all of you, our friends, to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for that. Okay, back to the topic. So we are going to send the mix audio signal from the 32 input to the PC for live streaming. So what is important now is the master left and right, which actually combination of the mix signal from the 32 input to the PC with the cut installed at the back, with the USB cable. When the audio signal is in the PC, we can send the signal to the live streaming service such as Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and other platform, whichever you think is the best. Okay, this is our topic today. So first, before we do anything, first to ensure that you have the correct driver, please go to the Midas website or the Behringer website to download the correct audio driver and install to your PC. To check correct cut which is installed in the console, we can go to setup. Then at the final tab, you can see there's one cut here and the model is written here, the N32 USB. So this is the audio interface cut installed at the back of the M32. Okay, and most importantly, we need to set this to 2 in and 2 out, because for live broadcasting we just need 2 only, left and right. So for more than that, it's more professional usage, like multi-track recording. So this is very important step, because the PC, the Windows or the Facebook Live, YouTube Live, they cannot see 32 channel multi-track, even though they cannot see the 8 in and 8 out. So this is very important to make sure the live streaming software able to see you. Okay, this is our first step. And let's go to the PC to verify. Once we connected the USB, we downloaded the correct driver and we configure everything correctly. Okay, we go to the setting, under system, there's a sound, and from the input side you can see the clock technique DN32 USB is here. Okay, from other options we have, okay, and here we can see the audio signal is coming in. So just to confirm that it's working, and just to highlight to you, you need to take note input 1 and 2. Okay, this is what the PC can see. They can see the 1 and 2 only. So for the 3, 4, 5, 6, it cannot see. So this is very important for our next step, which when we do the routing and setup in the console, we need to assign the master left and right correctly to the 1 and 2 of the interface cut. Okay, we will go back to the cameras. So just now I mentioned we need to make sure 1 and 2 is assigned to the main left and right. How we are going to do that? Press this routing, then under the cut, because this is the cut what I'm going to send to the cut or receive from the cut, but currently I'm more interested to the sending out. Okay, how we do that? We select the user out 1 to 8, press this, then you come to this 1 to 8. It will show you what is assigned to 1 to 8, and you can see that number 3 to 8 is empty. I have no setting at all. But for number 1, I have set to main left, and 2 is main right. So the main left and right is this master left and right. How we're gonna set this main left and main right to here? So it's very simple. We just press this button to move the tab to the user. So just now we have set user output. I need to press this knob to ensure I can toggle between the input and output. So output is what I want, because I want to out the signal from the console to the PC. So we need the out. And our interested destination is 1 and 2, because the PC only can see 1 and 2. That's why I'm choosing 1 to 8 column. This box, so I can assign the output 1 and 2. So by default, every M32 or X32, 15 and 16 is the left and right of the main output. So I'm gonna set output 1 as output 15, which is the left, and output 2 is output 16, which is the right. And you can notice other thing, I just leave it blank because I doesn't need it. So this is how I set the main left and right to the user 1 and 2, okay, which I send you this to the card, and the PC receive the 1 and 2 from the card, which is from my main. Okay, understand? So this is for firmware version 4, because this user features is only available in firmware version 4. For older version, can we do it? Yes, we can do it. How we do it? Let me show you. We can use the output 1 to 8 here. Press it, out 1 to 8. By default, everything is set. Mix bus 1, mix bus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But you can notice that 1 and 2 I have changed to main left and right. So how I'm gonna do that? So just press this to find the out, okay? And I'm gonna select the out 1 to choose as main left, and the out 2 as main right. So this is how I'm gonna set the out 1 and out 2 as my main left and right. So when we go back to the card, you can see I'm assigned to main left and right to my 1 and 2 output, which I send to add card to the PC. So this is how we send the master left and right audio from the console to the PC. So it's that easy. Okay, let's move to the Facebook Live or YouTube Live. For those who haven't liked our page, you can like our page here, or you can go to our YouTube channel to subscribe our channel. So we promise that we will post more tips, knowledge on a pro audio system. You won't miss it, you won't regret. Then we need to select the live here, and you bring us to the live page. We select the use camera, and from here we can select the camera in webcam or other things, or I can set my audio clock technique 1 and 2. So, and here I have some indication to show that my audio is properly sent to this live Facebook Live. So once everything is done, you just press this go live. So tada, settle. So how about YouTube? Once we are in YouTube, we can go here and press this go live. And it will bring us to the interface of the YouTube Live. And here you just press the more options. You can choose our setting, what cameras, what webcam. We also can choose our sound card. In here, we can see clock technique DN32 USB. But here we don't have any indicator of the audio here. But just now we have confirmed that in Facebook Live and in our Windows setting there, the sound is indeed going to the PC. So there you have it. The step-by-step how we're gonna send the audio to the live streaming in PC for the Midas M32 and Behringer X32. Hope this helps you all. That's all, folks. See you next time in next tutorial. Thank you very much. Sayonara.